Hello, in this short video, I will introduce you to the trusted best website builders platform. I have been working with this for over 7 years and earn about $18,000 a month. It is easy to use and provides beautiful, responsive websites. I will show you 7 very useful life hacks that few people know about, but which will be useful to you. Let me show you everything with an illustrative example.
Ranked as one of the best website builders in the niche, namely as one of the best website builders for musicians, Bandzoogle is a great option for this very specific group of people. In short, it's a beginner-friendly website builder designed for musicians that comes with a suite of tools to help you showcase and sell your work, and everything appears great on the surface. In this Bandzoogle review, we dig deeper to see if things really are as good as they seem. We take a look at the platform's main features, user interface, prices, and support to help you decide whether or not it's a good option for your needs. But before starting our review, we ask you to subscribe to our channel and keep abreast of our new videos. And for these, turn on the bell. Everything is simple. Let's start. There are 3 premium plans available, with prices starting from just $8.29 a month if you pay for 12 months upfront. Monthly payments are also available at a slightly higher cost. All plans come with a 30-day free trial, although a free forever version is notably absent. Bandzoogle subscription options: 12-month plan, $8.29 per month or $99.48 total cost. For the cheapest annual $8.29 a month plan, $9.95 if paid monthly, you get access to the basics. These include the Bandzoogle website builder, support for up to 10 site pages and 10 tracks, and the ability to upload up to 100 photos. You'll also be able to sell music downloads or subscriptions, all whilst taking advantage of 0 transaction fees. Upgrading to the annual standard plan costs $12.46 a month or $14.95 if you pay monthly, and unlocks support for 20 site pages, 50 tracks, and up to 500 photos. You'll also be able to sell brand merchandise on top of your music and subscriptions. Finally, the high-end Pro plan comes in annual at $16.63 a month or $19.95 if you pay monthly, and unlocks unlimited pages, tracks, and photos. It also includes custom phones, video headers, ticket sales, and a suite of other online selling tools. You can add a custom email account to your plan for just $14.95 a year, and specialized custom plans are available on request. On top of this, Bandzoogle offers 100% free accounts for music-focused charities. Bandzoogle is targeted directly at musicians, and as such, it provides a suite of features to help you showcase and market your tunes. Most website builders include some sort of third-party software integration, but Bandzoogle's focus specifically on music. For example, you can connect directly to SoundCloud, Dropbox, Twitter, Facebook, and more with the click of a button. Monetizing your work can be very hard if you're an up-and-coming musician, but Bandzoogle provides you with the tools to do this in a streamlined and simple manner. It enables you to sell digital downloads of your music, tickets to both live and virtual events, subscription, band merchandise, and more. On top of these, all sales are 100% commission-free, which is a big plus for those on a tight budget. There are 2 very easy ways to add a tour calendar to your Bandzoogle website. Either sync directly with your Band is in Town account or add a custom calendar via Bandzoogle's native tools. Bandzoogle's interface is highly stylistic and easy to navigate, allowing users to easily read what features are included, look at pricing plans, and see over 35 live examples. Once you start a free trial, you'll immediately have access to all of the pre-designed themes, and it's even easy to edit your website from your phone. Too many different website builders today don't pay enough attention to e-commerce. There can be many reasons for this, but in most cases it all comes down to new e-commerce features. However, in the case of Bandzoogle, the reviews will tell you something completely different. Here the story is completely different. Bandzoogle offers customers the ability to offer their sales pages directly on their group sites. Sales can target a variety of products such as events, group-themed products, or more. This may not seem like a big deal, but I want to convince you otherwise. You see, if you go and start creating a page for purchasing tickets on some other less specific website builder, then you are likely to waste not only time but also nerves. Even if you see one of the most advanced website builders on the market, it can take a very long time to create such a specific page. So the fact that Bandzoogle has a few dedicated features that allow you to create this type of page is so much easier, well, that's great. Even when it comes to more conventional things like discount codes, sales management and shipping specifications, user reviews from Bandzoogle claim that the company has been able to get it right on these issues too. By the moment you get access to the editor, the website will be a bit customized already to create a personalized impression. You will be initially shown an introductory video concerning the system opportunities. Then you can start working with the system on your own. The control panel includes the links redirecting you to the videos with the samples of using the current editor section. Generally, it's a pleasant and quite easy to master Bandzoogle without any exaggeration. All the options are intuitively presented in the system. If something goes wrong for some reason, there is an educational video, community and help sections, as well as the FAQ regarding the topic you are interested in. The interface matters a lot here as well. It looks just like a musician expects it to be. It is concise and comes with a conveniently chosen color scheme, fonts and logically positioned options and settings. You can use it without any special preparation at all. Simple elements like images or text can be edited directly on the page by using the unobtrusive editor. If you face the need to make more complex edits, you will have to access the full screen interface, which makes the main website blocks invisible, yet allows making more complicated edits if needed. This, however, does not pose problems to Bandzoogle's users, even to those who browse the system for the first time. As far as the website builder is initially created for inexperienced musicians, it definitely deserves to be considered an easy-to-use and intuitive service. Advertisement. Finally, all Bandzoogle users will have access to a powerful reporting dashboard that's designed to display a range of useful information. Here you'll be able to see data about everything from how many listeners you've had and where they're listening from, to how they find your site and which are the best-selling tracks, interface and in-use. Signing up for a free trial is extremely easy, and you won't have to provide your credit card or payment details. Simply select a theme, add a cover image, set your site title, and start customizing. Choose which elements you want to be added to your initial site. Then you'll be taken to the Bandzoogle editor. It's worth noting that the design flexibility here is far from amazing. You'll be quite constrained by your template, but you can change things like color schemes, fonts, global design, and element positions. The management dashboard is also quite basic, and advanced tools are almost entirely absent. You'll likely find it quite confusing to navigate initially, but it shouldn't take you too long to get used to it. Good uptime indicators. Uptime refers to how long a site has been online, in other words, how often it remains available to visitors. We have to admit that uptime is considered a very sensitive topic when it comes to website builders. Many Bandzoogle customers think the company understands this well and leave praise for it. This criterion depends solely on the hosting provider with which the designer decides to cooperate. If the hosting provider is good, then you will see your site running smoothly most of the time. Nevertheless, if the rates are below 99%, then you will immediately need to think about looking for a new hosting. If you analyze Bandzoogle reviews, then a site created on this site builder can have an uptime of 99.5 to 99.8%. This result is quite impressive. Of course, there are hosting providers with more stable performance, but you need to understand that it is almost impossible to achieve 100% uptime, since sometimes sites need to reboot, update, maintain, and so on. Support. Signing up for a free trial is extremely easy, and you won't have to provide any credit card or payment details. Simply select the theme, add a cover image, set your site title, and start customizing. Choose which elements you want to be added to your initial site, then you'll be taken to the Bandzoogle editor. Bandzoogle boasts a suite of self-help resources, including how-to articles, comprehensive guides, and video tutorials available through its YouTube account. Email and live chat support are also available. Live chat is available from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and on Saturdays and Sundays from 10 to 5. Email, on the other hand, is available Monday to Friday from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Saturday to Sunday from 8 to 8. All times are EST. musician's brand. The fact may not be related in any way to the capabilities or patterns of the Bandzoogle builder, but I still think it is worth mentioning. As soon as you go to the main page of the website builder, you will immediately notice a number of photos showing the creators and managers of the company behind the development of the website builder. Have you noticed that they all have something in common? Yes, they are all musicians. It's one thing to have a website builder from a large corporation that targets a wide audience without a specific focus on anything, but a completely different story when the constructor was developed by people who know their niche very well. Among other things, this allows you to be sure that all the functions, design choices, and all the things that surround the designer were created by people who know what you need from him. Bandzoogle has all the basic features you could wish for when creating a website for your band. Moreover, the builder supports e-commerce, provides templates adapted for mobile devices, and has a pretty good uptime indicator. In my opinion, Bandzoogle is an incredible website builder if you are a solo artist or a member of a band trying to get your place in the sun on a big stage called the internet. When we search for information about Bandzoogle, user reviews keep repeating how well thought out the website builder is and how easy it is to use. All the different features will allow you to create a website that not only looks good visually, but also suits all the functional needs of your group. Ultimately, if you're making music and want your name to be known to millions, then give Bandzoogle a shot. Thank you for being with us, subscribe to our channel and you will not miss our video about website builders and much more.